Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Konrad Kies Sangma ulapan Jngoh ba ke Jinghun Mynsiem ki doktor bat ki nurse habat traya ke kam kata kum ke Jing Sumar ya ki Khyllung badang red kare ko wei ke bapunlung Mynsiem ya u haba one ban play ya ke babies critical care unit ha Ganesh das government maternal and child health hospital ha ka khat saw tare gunai lar arjar persaw Hagajing play kediga unit bakentop ya ke SNCU, NICU, but MNCU. Layadon lang da ke menteri beri kemi ketenat ke kot ke kia ke sorkar jela ke Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdo, ki officer ketenat, ki doktor, ki nurse, ringkat ki bor beri kemi lem kinong tray ke hospital. Menteri Rangba hakajing lang ulupan ko buram mi kinong tray ketenat ke kot ke kia na kene ke hospital ki wala syakri met bat Mynsiem ha ke kam jongki ban sumar ki long kemi armet bat ki Khyllung badang sukha. Haswa kene ke benta jingkran Menteri Rangba ula kran sepang ke Shillong Medical College kabaan sedang sna ya ka haus nam araja arpusan bat kum juru ya ketura Medical College kaban sedang tray kam nado u araja arpun riu. Halor ki jing ke hospital Menteri Rangba ula ai jing kular ban ya tray lang ban weng yaki kata da ka bapen biang yaki kor ke machine bat ki wei pat ki jing don kam.
We are in fact going to sit down after this program to just discuss this a bit more in detail because this will also be part of the planned medical college and we will have further investments I'm told being made in the ICU and in the OT. The OT and the other facilities so that we are there at par and at the requirement that is needed for the medical college as per the NMC. So all these investments are already in the pipeline and we will be going forward with this and I must congratulate our entire team, Mr. Sampat Kumar, Mr. Joram and his team who are working tirelessly to make this particular dream of us a reality so that the first batch of our MBBS students can start next year by 2025. Not just here, we are also very, very hopeful that very soon, if not 25, then hopefully by 26, that even the Tura Medical College also should be made functional. So I hope that within the next couple of years, we will be having 2 of our medical colleges started and that I'm of the firm belief will have a major impact in the overall healthcare scenario of our state. Apart from that, I also would like to share with you that we are working very hard to ensure that the overall infrastructures, not just at the district hospitals and the civil hospitals across the state, but also at the rural areas, we are working very hard to ensure that state-of-the-art facilities are available even in the rural areas so that the patients and the people do not have to come only to the headquarters for basic treatment. And for that, a lot of investment is being made as we speak. We have started with investing in larger hospitals like these, but even the civil hospitals in Jowai and Tura are also being done as we speak, and that will have a major impact. And beyond that also, as I said, even at the PHC, CHC level also, a lot of investment is being done. To share with also the medical staff that we have, that we are aware about the challenges that are there in the rural areas, especially in terms of the accommodations not being available. There's a special program that government has decided where we will be ensuring that we are able to provide the basic accommodation to our medical staff at the rural areas so that they are given a comfortable place to stay while they serve the people of our state. Apart from that, I was going through this small note that was mentioned out here in regards to the challenges that you are facing, and many points have been mentioned out here, including additional diagnostic equipments like bedside ultrasonography and other equipments, and also requirement of additional funds to run the SNCU. All of these aspects also, as I assured you, that we will definitely look into it. I have seen the kind of motivation that you have, the kind of dedication you have, and as I mentioned to you in the beginning of my speech, that it has truly inspired me and made me realize the kind of dedication and commitment that you have. So we are there with you to support you and work with you every step of the way to ensure that the facilities, not just here in Ganesh Das Hospital, but throughout the state, we're able to increase it.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta i ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya